Yo, what are YouTube? It's me, Papa G from What's Up, everybody. So today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new Samsung Galaxy Buds Live in a color black, as you can see right there in front of you guys. So if you guys are ready for this video, let's get this going. Alright, so here we do have the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live in a color black. Now if you guys haven't seen the unboxing on the bronze color, make sure to do so. Make sure to put the link in the description box down below. And I'm also going to be unboxing the white ones as well. Now on the top, of course, it does say Samsung. In the middle, we do have a nice picture of the actual earbuds. More to the bottom, it does say Buds Live. Now on the side of the box, it does say Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. Now on the back of the box, we do have a couple of specs on these bad boys. So 6 to 21 hours of playtime, triple mics for clear call, and active noise cancellation. Beautiful knife. Alright, so now let's open this bad boy up. Here we go, just like that. That's one side, and then one more over here on the other side, and we should be good to go. There you go. Let's put that knife to the side. Let's lift this up, and voila! There you go. So inside the box, of course, you do get a black charging case, which is actually pretty cool. And at the bottom, you do have your accessories. So let's actually take that out first. So the first thing inside the box is your charging cable. And the last thing inside the box is your extra wingtips. And here we do have your charging case for the brand new Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. So as you can see, we do have this nice glossy finish on the charging case, which is super nice. Now on the black edition, you actually get this glossy finish, but if you do get the bronze color, you actually get this matte finish. So it's actually a little bit different. As you can see, on the black edition, you get this glossy, but if you get the bronze color, you actually get this matte finish. Okay. Now, I don't know about you guys, but when it comes to glossy things, they look great. Don't get me wrong, they look great, but they get scratched really easy. And then you get a bunch of smudges on the charging case. So that's one thing I do not like about glossy finish. But as you can see in the middle, of course, it does say Samsung and also says sound by AKG. So there you go. So that is the front. Now taking a quick look at the side. So everything's actually in a glossy finish all the way to the back as well. So now let's actually open them up for the first time. So here we go. Ooh, voila! There you go. Oh my god. Now the earbuds to me do not look black at all. They kind of look like this gunmetal finish, like a chrome dark color, which is actually really cool. So they do look good. They stand out a lot. As you can see the shape of them. Let me actually take them out so you guys can see them better. But the shape on these earbuds are actually super weird. So they kind of look like jelly beans, I guess you can say in a way, Mexican beans as well. And then over here on the side, of course, you got your right and then you got your left over here. So design wise, they look weird, but they actually look pretty cool. As you can see right there, you got your speaker right there in the front. Super nice. So there you have it, just a quick unboxing for you guys on the brand new Samsung Galaxy Buds Live in a color black. Like I stated, I actually unboxed the bronze. If you guys haven't seen it, make sure to do so. And then the next video is gonna be me unboxing the white edition. So stay tuned to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to hit that bell to be notified as soon as I upload new videos on this channel. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like this video. Let me know what you guys think about these jelly beans earbuds. Do you guys like them, dislike them? Let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.